Hey everyone, Robert from Tampa Bay Auto Network here to do a walk around with you on this 2021 Ford F-150 STX. Walking around this Ford F-150, has 20-inch wheels, matching Goodyears all the way around with about 80 to 85% tread remaining. It's got 23,825 miles. Hood and front end are in amazing condition. Only flaw seems to be right here, this little bit of minor chipping. Other than that, there's no scratches or dings or dents. It's quite amazing for 23,000 miles at this point. And as you can see, it has factory installed black running boards. Paint is completely clean all the way through around to the tailgate. It has a class 4 towing hitch. Ford installed bed liner. Again, no scratches, no dings, no dents. Tinted windows. Taking a look at the interior of this F-150. No real wear. Seats have no rips or stains or frays in the seams at all. As you can see, same thing on the passenger side. Back seat was either taken care of very well, or no one spent any real time back here because they look practically new. All right, let's do a startup on this 21 F-150. As you can see, it has 23,824 on the odometer. It has no warning lights on the dash. It does have lane departure. It also does have navigation installed. As you can imagine, for a 21, everything is in great shape. Let's check the air. There we go. As expected, ice cold. There is a drive mode selector on the F-150. It has Eco, Sport, Tow Haul, or Normal, and then Slippery, and then Trail. Has a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's a beautiful truck, guys. Come down, take a look.